Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on some new vehicles that the police force in Jamaica got. And we are actually driving on the Southern Coastal Highway, which is the new road between Harborview and Yalas. As you can see, very nice road. Now it's a 4-lane dual carriageway. Now with the fixing or the upgrading of the infrastructure in Jamaica, you have a lot more people moving around the island. So let's take, for example, this road. You can now get from Harborview to Yalos in probably around 15 minutes. So that means a lot more people are going to be going to Yalos. And this road is actually going all the way to Port Antonio. So you have a lot more people using the road. You're going to have hotels being built in St. Thomas, luxury villas. It's opening up a whole new economic area for Jamaica. You have the Morat Bay Urban Center being built in St. Thomas. So with a lot more people going into St. Thomas, you're going to need a lot more police over here to monitor the roads. The police are going to need vehicles to move around. So as the government moves forward with the infrastructure development in Jamaica, they also have to build police stations. They have to expand the police stations. They have to expand the capacity of the police in these areas. You also have the fire stations. They're going to need more fire trucks, more firefighters. All the government entities or agencies need to be expanded or their capacity increased, because as you have these new developments, you have a lot more people traveling here. So the police announced that they are increasing the fleet of the police cars. In the same way, the JUTC has to increase the fleet of the buses, because they're now going to have a route from Harborview to Yalas. So we're going to go through an article that gives an update on some new vehicles that the police force got. The fleet of the Jamaica Constabulary Force has been expanded with the addition of 30 new service vehicles handed over by the Ministry of National Security. The L200 pickup trucks, valued at $230 million, were presented at the office of the Commissioner of Police in Kingston. An additional 16 Hilux pickup trucks and 4 highest buses totaling $177 million are scheduled for delivery next week. National Security Minister Honorable Dr. Horace Chang said that the investment is part of the government's commitment to equip the security forces with the resources needed to support crime-fighting efforts. A number of them will be involved in crime scene management and special activities of the police force. Over 40 will be added to the geographic teams and the special operation teams that carry out patrols. The superintendents will get them and assign them to the most appropriate areas, he informed. Dr. Chang noted also that the vehicles will play a crucial role in improved mobility and bolster rapid response by JCF personnel. This will bring 50 vehicles in Jamaica across 19 divisions. It will have a significant impact on activity and visibility, which is what we want to come out of this, he noted. In his remarks, Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson said the investment marks another milestone in the government's ongoing effort to strengthen the capabilities of the JCF. Whereas these vehicles are an investment in the JCF, I see them more as an investment in the people we serve, an investment in the communities, because how we use these vehicles is to go and serve, to protect, to reassure, and to ensure that our people get safer and safer as we do our work, he said. Alright, that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about the police force getting new vehicles. I think it's great. And We'll keep you updated as more vehicles come into the island. The L200 pickup, I think that's the Mitsubishi. And the Hilux is Toyota. And the highest bus is also Toyota. So it's a mix between Toyota vehicles and Mitsubishi. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video as we drive on the new Southern Coastal Highway between Harborview and Yalos. Alright guys, have a good day.